everyone! I'm Lisa, a librarian with the National Library Board. School's out, which means fun's in. I hope that you have been enjoying your September school holidays. For this school holiday special, I want to introduce you to my favorite animal. Let me give you a few clues to guess what it is. It has 4 legs, it loves to jump and climb high places, and is the only animal to make this sound. Meow, meow. Can you guess what it is? Yes, that's right. My favorite animal is the cat. Have you ever wanted to know more about our fantastic feline friends? Well, look no further, for I have a few books to get you started. The first book I have is Catastrophe, a fun feline fable by Anne-Marie Stephens with lively, vibrant illustrations by Jen Honey and published by Boyd's Mills Press in 2021. This book is about a group of cats going on a fishing trip that gets a little out of control. Captain Cat tries to get his cat crew organized throughout the trip. The kitty crew soon discover that arranging themselves in the right sequence makes the trip go smoother, be it by lining up according to the color of the life jackets to board the boat, or rowing together in a specific pattern so they don't end up going in circles and becoming dizzy. This book includes characters of various cat breeds and teaches you about the significance of sequences and patterns, and most importantly, how to recognize and repeat them. You can pick up this book at the public libraries if you're interested. The second book I have will teach you more about our furry little friends. It is Nicole Horning's Kittens, which is part of the Baby Animals in Action series. This is published by Cavendish Square in 2021, and not only is it filled with many cute pictures of baby cats, but it has a lot of interesting facts too. For example, can you guess how long a kitten can sleep? About 18 to 22 hours a day. Imagine having a cat nap for that long. Do drop by the public libraries and discover more about these adorable creatures.
Let's take a closer look at my cats, Luna and Loki. Cats have triangular ears to listen to sounds all around them. Look how they twitch when you touch them. This shows how sensitive they are. Their sense of hearing is so much better than ours. How nice they look on their heads, which look like cute circles. Now, let's look at their eyes. Like ours, they are 2 round circles. Fun fact, cats can see in the dark. They are nocturnal animals. This means that they are more active at night than they are in the day. Their noses look like upside-down triangles. These help them recognize their territory. Cats mark territory by urinating on areas, and they smell to know if a place or object has already been claimed by other cats. Their noses also help them find one of their most favorite things, food. These long curved lines coming out of their faces are whiskers. They are very important in helping a cat approximate how narrow and deep a tunnel or hole is before they enter it. Thus, don't ever cut them.
Luna and Loki also have their own unique features due to their breed. Luna is a Maine Coon Persian mix, and you can see her Maine Coon features in her thick fur coat. Loki, on the other hand, is a Ragdoll British Longhair mix, and you can see it in her fur patterns and big eyes. Find out more about Maine Coons and Ragdolls in this series, Cat Club by Cameron L. Woodson, available at the libraries. I hope you enjoyed meeting Luna and Loki. Now it's time to do a craft. This craft is called cat collage. You will need the following materials to do it. Construction paper of any preferred colors. I have yellow and pink here. You will need glue, a pencil, a pair of scissors. There will be cutting in this craft, so do have a parent nearby to help you. A marker. And if you have any yarn or ribbon to decorate your cat with, you can use that. I have some yarn here in yellow and orange. Let's get started. Start by selecting a piece of construction paper in your favorite color. This will be the cat's head. Measure out a circle of 15 centimeters in diameter and cut it out. You can use anything that is circled to ensure a perfect circle. A paper plate is a very handy tool for this. Now, you need to cut out your circle to get the cat's head. So just follow me and be very careful with your scissors. You don't want to accidentally cut yourself. You can always get mommy or daddy to do this for you.
Using the same piece of construction paper, cut out 2 triangles. They can be as big or small as you want them to. Paste this on the top of the big circle as how I'm doing it. Take another piece of construction paper in a different color and cut out 2 small circles. You can use a bottle cap to help with the measuring and accuracy. These will be the cat's eyes. After pasting the eyes on, cut out a small triangle from another piece of construction paper and paste it just below the 2 eyes, in the middle of the circle. Next, draw on the cat's mouth with a marker. You can design the mouth in any way you want. You can follow my example here, or you can choose to make your cat grumpy or sad or meowing. Afterwards, draw in some curved lines with the marker for the whiskers and fill in the eyes. Time to be creative. Add patterns to your cat or glue on other materials you have lying around. This is a great opportunity to unleash your full creativity and recycle the leftover bits of paper or some yarn, string or ribbon.
Big cats such as lions, cheetahs, and tigers are all related to our fantastic feline friends. But obviously, keeping one as a pet might not be the best idea. Read more about them with these 2 books from the Starting Out series by Kate Riggs and published by Creative Education and Creative Paperbacks in 2021. They are baby cheetahs and baby tigers, and they will introduce you to these baby big cats and how they are very different and yet similar to Luna and Loki. Look here, they also have whiskers and big round eyes like Luna and Loki. And that is it for today's school holiday specials. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed making your collage cats. Don't forget to head down to the public libraries to pick up the books recommended. Take care and stay safe. See you next time. Bye!